This is Courtney Smith with Clean Kings Pressure Washing. With the weather that we've been having lately, all the rain, I'm sure that algae and mold that you're seeing on the backside of your home, it's only going to get worse. So what I wanted to do today was take out the time and do a little quick demonstration of our two-step process where we apply our detergents and cleaners, adequate dwell time, and then we rinse it off. The technique we use to apply our soap, we call that downstreaming. And the overall process is what we consider in the industry as soft washing. I'll just keep videoing for a little bit as you see our cleaner is doing its work. And as you can see, the application of the soap, there was no pressure at all. So there's no worries about us damaging your siding. Do another application here. After about 4.5–5 minutes, final step in the process is just to rinse it. No pressure needed. We rinse from the top down. Make sure there's no soap streaks. And there you have it. That's clean. So give us a call, 888-959-2493 or www.pressurewashbaltimore.com. We can also be reached on Facebook, Clean Kings Pressure Washing. This is Courtney Smith with Clean Kings, out.